Hello there, I'm Ruben from Actonic, and today I'm going to show you our latest inline table editing for Confluence updates. The first new feature is the merge cells function. Adjacent cells can now be merged into one cell, just like you know it from Excel. To do this, highlight the cells you want to merge, do a right click on one of the cells, and select Merge Cells. Now your cells are merged. If you want to undo the whole thing again, just do a right click on the cell again, select Unmerged Cells, and now the cells are unmerged just like before. The next new feature gives you the possibility to edit the column name of the header row. To name a header row, just do a right click on a cell from the desired column and click on Edit Column Name. Now you can just enter in your desired name. These were the new features from our latest app update. Do you want to boost your Confluence tables through Excel-like features? Then check out inline table editing at the Atlassian Marketplace. There you can test the app for free for 30 days. To do that, just click on the first link in the description of this video. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.